I have the Nintendo Switch, and I'll be showing you how to add a payment method to this console. So if you need to buy some of the games which are for sale in the eShop, then you need to have a payment method, and I'll be showing you how to add one. And in this specific video, I'll be showing you how to add a credit or debit card. So the first thing you want to do is go to the eShop. So just open the eShop and make sure you go to the eShop with your own profile. Now, obviously, your user account has to be already linked with your Nintendo account. So that should make everything easy, and everything is going to be saved on your Nintendo account. So let's go ahead and enter the password to get into the eShop. And once you get into the eShop, you want to tap on your profile image in the top right corner. That should open your account information, and then you should see credit card information. So it says not saved because I haven't saved any. So just tap on that and it should give you a page where you can now add your credit card details or debit card, depending on what you have. So here we are. It's a Visa. So put in your card number, your expiration date, your CVV, and postal code or zip code, right? So let me go ahead and do that. Now, once you enter all your details, just go ahead and tap on save. And you can see my credit card information has been saved. All I need to do now is tap OK. And that's it. So now my Visa card is ready, my debit card. It could be a credit card. It's ready for use. And now I can use that to purchase games and subscriptions on my Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.